They say a woman showed up at JFK Airport with a passport from a country called Torenza, a nation that doesn't exist on any world map. The clip went viral fast, full of conspiracy theories, AI deepfake speculation, and claims about alternate dimensions. It sounds wild, right? But when something is this strange, the real question is the Torenza Passport Woman a total hoax? Or is anyone taking this seriously? Let's break it down. At first glance, the video looks polished. The woman calmly presents her passport, which appears to have security features, biometric chips, stamps from non-existent places. There's a sense of tension. Airport officials don't know what to make of her. It's cinematic, like something from a movie, or a scripted viral clip. That visual appeal makes it incredibly easy to believe for some. But here's where things start to fall apart. Fact-checking experts have investigated, and many agree. There is no real country called Torenza. They found no records in global databases, no UN listing, no country code, nothing. That alone throws a huge shadow of doubt over the entire story. Experts also say the video shows signs of AI generation. Lighting inconsistencies, weird facial movements, and other visual artifacts all point to the possibility that the whole thing was created with synthetic video tools. That means what looks like a news event could easily be a deepfake. Digging deeper, the story tracks closely with old urban legends, especially the infamous Man from Tored, a tale from decades ago about a man who arrived somewhere with a passport from a country nobody recognizes. That legend has resurfaced multiple times in internet lore, and the Torenza video seems to echo its themes. Mystery, secret countries, and possible alternate dimensions. Even airport authorities and national agencies show no record of the incident. There's no official confirmation from JFK, no immigration statement, nothing. If this were a real event, you'd expect some official response, but there's none. Some internet users try to keep the mystery alive, suggesting Torenza is a hidden civilization, or that this is some kind of time travel or parallel universe scenario, but experts argue it's much simpler. This appears to be AI-driven misinformation, designed to go viral and tap into people's fascination with conspiracy and mystery. So, is there any chance that Torenza is real? Based on the evidence, highly unlikely. There's no credible proof of the country, no real historical or geopolitical data, and the most logical explanation is that this is a hoax created to exploit the digital age's appetite for strange and mysterious stories. My verdict: the Torenza Passport Woman is not a traveler from another world. She's more likely a character in a very well-made AI hoax. The video is not trustworthy, the country seems to be fictional, and the whole scenario plays into viral myth-making rather than factual reality. If this analysis helped you see through the hype, make sure to like, comment, or share it so others don't fall for the same trap. Stay skeptical, stay informed, and remember, not everything that goes viral is real.